Hi, this is where I live, apartment section 8. This is an emergency in case you will fall. Just pull out the string. They will call 911. Let's go to the bedroom. I did not turn on the light. From here to the kitchen, you enter to my bedroom. On your right, the toilet, and on your left, my bed. My bed is 3 pieces of bench because I hook up my legs to get up because I'm paralyzed. And I put the pillow to elevate my feet because they're swollen if I stand up 8 hours. So the highest pillow there is for my feet. Let's go to this side. Okay. And there is a closet here. Okay. And there is a table. My things over here. And this is where I live. This is my bed. I don't put pillow because I have only one hand. But on top of the pillow, I put yellow towel, this one. When I sleep in my bed, this towel is my pillow. I put on top of the pillow. And that's the window. That's my belongings. This is need to be washed. These are all laundry, but I don't put them crumpled. I fold them so that if I did not do laundry for 1 week, then it is easy to find out. Look at the box from Costco. I make it like, these are my laundry, dirty laundry. And then from the window and to that, from here is the bathroom. And from there is the kitchen. And let's go to the window. We clean the window, we do the dusting in the window. And that's the parking lot. And that's my ironing board. And this side. And from here. And the bathroom is next to my bedroom. My bathroom is inside my bedroom. I have a small table there and mirror on the wall, the closet. I put my feet on top of this top pillow, and that's my head over there. And my bed is a bench, 3 pieces, because I hook up my feet there to get up. When you are paralyzed, you cannot get up by your own. You need to hook up your legs on the feet. From there as a bottom, look at this. Look like a Target store. Oh, look at that. And this is look like a Costco. This is my things from my bedroom. And then my shoes organizer, my Bluetooth, and when I clean and do my laundry, I just put it in the bucket in the corner. That's me over there. And let's go back to the window. This is our parking lot, big as Costco parking. This is located in at Vermont and 12th Street. One more block is Pico and Vermont. And then I am in a 7th floor. I am in a tower building, 13th floor, senior citizen section 8. This is our parking. We have a garden over there. And at the back, that centered in the middle, that's the middle Berendo High School. Berendo Middle School. And this is, we are on top of the world. This is Amelia. And those are my beach walk. I have more beach walk under my bed. I buy a dozen, 13 pieces beach walk. This is 6, and there's more in my under my bed. Okay, I have shoes, and we don't have a carpet. We are in a wooden floor, and it is good for me because I can walk without a walker. If it is a carpet, I need to use my walker. And now this cabinet, I like this cabinet. My sweater, my hair peluca, I like white pants. And now it's 11 minutes. Let's go end the video. When you go out to my room, on your right is the bed over there and the sofa. And then on the left, that's the entrance door. Now I have 2 walker, a new one, but this is the old one. I always put a towel because it's already broken the seat because it's a leather. It was torn. Now I got a new one. Now this is the microwave. This is the divider and the television over there. And I would like to get myself. Bye-bye. And I like to get myself over there. Yes. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. 12 minutes and 22 seconds.